Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the label order in Gmail for 2026. It's a simple trick that can help you organize your inbox exactly the way you want. First, sign into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. This opens the main settings panel. Next, click on the Labels tab at the top of the settings window. Here you'll see a full list of all your labels, including system labels like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. To change the order, you can drag and drop the labels in the sidebar. Just hover over the label you want to move, click and hold, and then drag it to your preferred position. Gmail will automatically save the new order. If you want, you can also choose to show or hide specific labels from the sidebar. Click Show or Hide next to any label in the Labels tab to customize what's visible. And that's it. Your Gmail labels are now reordered just the way you like. It's a small tweak, but it makes navigating your inbox much easier. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Gmail tips and tutorials.